This, it's called a Tuka cam, and it's for carving spoons and bowls. This is dried cherry, so if I had a green piece of wood, it would go much easier. You're not trying to go perfect or anything. Take your time. This is going to be pretty neat. I haven't made one of these in forever. These are super sharp. I bought these, they're called File, Swiss made, PFEILL. Very expensive. I remember this is one of my first purchases. I bought 3 of them. Man, they're really nice though. I know, I don't think I've ever sharpened these because I haven't really used them that much. I really need to learn how to sharpen them though. But you know what? You can tell they're sharp. This wood, when you get a good cut, that's like very smooth. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty good, y'all. Not bad. That's looking pretty good on the shape too. Okay. Anybody knows how to sharpen curved surfaces? Please send me an email at myhoneyshandmade@gmail.com. I'm trying to get better. Always looking to improve and try something new, you know? Man, that actually looks pretty good, y'all. What do you think? That actually looks good. That's very symmetrical. I know it's a little dark over here, sorry. I just want to clean that up. Not bad. Man, I think I like that. Oh, right there it needs another. You got a little ridge, so it's kind of like grain tear out. You have to switch around. It's got a little ridge there, so you kind of clean it up with the tool itself. That's pretty dang smooth. I got a little spot there, but that's a crack in the wood. There's nothing I can do about that, I don't think. Maybe right there. There's some natural cracks. I don't think there's anything I can do there. It's not looking too bad. So, using my Sloyd knife. You guys didn't know I had one of these, did you? This is how I started out a long time, like 10 years ago when I got into woodworking. I've got carving gouges, spoon gouges, draw knives, all kinds of stuff. So if you guys want to see more of that on the channel, let me know. Because I enjoyed it. I discovered power tools. So we've got the line gone. That's probably just grain at this point. We have that tear out. You can do the same thing with this. You can smooth that out. Of course, it's not going to be as pretty, but whatever. See? Yeah, look at that tear out. There was a chip. I mean, nothing much I could do for that. You just got to keep, now you got to keep whittling it down. Now it's going to suck, but oh well. I'd rather have a crappy one that looks hand carved versus a perfect one sometimes, you know? Because, I mean, I don't make perfect stuff. I don't know about you guys. I do not. Okay. So it's going to have a little chip, whatever. So same thing. Trying to get out that. See, from this angle we cannot. Those are just bandsaw marks. Boy, they could be sharpened, so I just gouged it. All that work and, you know, it gets erased. Luckily, wood's fairly forgiving. Okay, we got that line out. Appreciate you guys hanging out. That was a lot of fun. I like the handle. What I need to do first is I really need to get that bowl great shape before I turn the handle. So, oh well. Yeah, appreciate you hitting the like button. Please subscribe.